Welcome to Digital You. In this video, we will learn how to install WordPress on Godaddy Cpanel. So, first of all, you go to godaddy.com. Then sign in. So now you can see web hosting. So Connaught Linux hosting with Cpanel. So on the right hand side, you can see this option manage. So you have to click on manage, then Cpanel admin. Now we are on Cpanel. So now you have to click on applications. So now we are on the application installer. So apps for community building, apps for content management. Okay, so you can see content management system, CMS. So all CMS applications are below. First option itself is WordPress. You have to click on WordPress, then install this application. Okay, so this is the domain. Actually, in this account, we are having only one domain name. Now, it is showing me different options for the same domain, HTTP and HTTP www. As of now, this website is not SSL certified, so I won't use S. So simply HTTP and then www. Now, we have to change the username and password. This is something we'll use when we go to our WordPress dashboard. So this is the username and password that we have to provide. So we have provided the password and administrator email where you will get all the notifications. Now click on install. So you can see the installation has started. Okay, so we have installed WordPress. So you can see the URL .com then wp-admin. So this is the path how you can go to your WordPress dashboard. So let me click on it. So as of now, I don't have to provide the username and password because I'm already inside my Cpanel. So for the first time, you'll get this option, get started quickly with WordPress. So for the first time, you have to click on no thanks. Then okay. Okay, so we have installed WordPress and our website is live. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.